Oppo has launched its new 5G enabled smartphone under K series in China called Oppo K10x with a stylish rear panel design. Now let's talk about the specifications of the smartphone. The Oppo K10x 5G comes with a large 6.59-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset coupled with Adreno 619 GPU, and it packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM that can be extended up to 7GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo K10x 5G supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses one 64MP main camera along with a 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch cutout at the top left corner. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 67W fast charging, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box with ColorOS 12.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with a smart heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's talk about the pricing details of the Oppo K10x 5G smartphone. The Oppo K10x 5G has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,699 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 22nd in Aurora Blue and Polar Night color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo K10x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolver YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.